Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to turn off notifications in Knox Player. Open Knox. As you'll notice, there's a gear icon in the top right. That's System Settings. That's not what you want. Instead, you want to go to Tools and then Settings. Scroll down. Go to Notifications. It's currently set to All Apps Allowed to Send. Now you're going to turn off notifications for all the apps you don't want notifications from. Now the annoying part about this is you have to turn it off one app at a time. I'm going to start with AnyMe, so I'm going to click on the app and then flip the switch to the right beside Block All. It says never show notifications from this app. So that is how you turn off notifications for Knox Player.